How to make a collaborative playlist on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a collaborative playlist on Spotify. First, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Then open the app and log into your account with Facebook, Google account or Apple ID. After logging in, this kind of screen will pop up. Press on Your Library beside Premium. Then click on plus button on top right corner of your screen. Then click on Playlist. Give your playlist a name and save it. Then add songs. And click on the plus button on top and invite collaborators. You can even change template, copy link or share through other social media apps. And that's how you make a collaborative playlist on Spotify. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was informational.